I don't believe these niggas gangsta. I don't believe these niggas cool. I don't believe these niggas hustler. I don't believe these niggas fool. Yeah, no way. I don't believe these niggas. I don't believe these niggas. I don't believe these niggas. I don't believe these niggas.
Royalty on 24. Like, comment, and subscribe. You know it.
What's good, Zero Click? You know what it is. It's the Pull-Up King. You know me, man. Winter, summer, fall, and spring. I'm in that thing. Back with another video. Back with another banger. Out here in Cattle Mills, Texas. My kids are getting a new house. So we're gonna go walk through and check it out. Y'all hold tight. Yes, sir. They say it's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. You see it's a 2-car garage. They're still building on it. It's gonna be done around February. Let's see what we got here. It's the front door. That looks like that's one of the bathrooms there. This is one of the bedrooms. This is what $320,000 will get you. Let's see. This is like another bedroom, or it could be an office. Kind of spacious. Got a closet. Dining room, living room, another closet. Yeah, I saw the first bathroom. This is just a walkthrough. Once the house is finished, I'll come back and let y'all check it out. Because you get so much room in the house, they don't give you much of a backyard, but that's cool though. I'd rather have more house than backyard anyways. But if you can have both, that's cool too. Let's see. Okay, so this is the laundry room. Okay. This must be the master's bedroom. Gotta be the master bedroom because here you go with another bathroom here, walk-in closet over there. I'm gonna film this way since I didn't bring my light, so. That's what's up. Spacious. Let's see. Okay. Another bedroom. Again, it's a 4-bedroom house. There's another bathroom right there. 4-bedroom house with. Son, what you doing? Got a lot of space in there. Is this supposed to be your room? Alright, so you can see it's spacious in here. So I was correct. This is the master bathroom. No tub, just a shower. And then to the right over here, on the other side of this wall, that's the toilet. Then that's a walk-in closet there, and that's where some more shelving right there. So it's a big house. As you can see, they throwing up houses over here, Cattle Mills. You might need to put a fence in between here though. Try to walk over here. see what we can see from this side. It's a big house. It's all one and the same. One house. Oh, my bad. The house stops here. That's another house over there. So the house is from here to there. Cool. Alright, y'all, we did a little walk through they new crib. Hey, I don't know how much more I'm gonna film today because you know how the sun do, your boy. But if this is the end of this video, y'all make sure y'all subscribing to the channel, liking the channel, exploring the channel. I'm going about 2021 because it is almost 2021. I am the Pull-Up King. Winter, summer, fall, or spring, I'm in that thing. Y'all hold tight. Alright, Zebra Gang, I'm back at the room, chilling with the fam. I do want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. I'm gonna try to drop this video tonight so that you guys will get it on Christmas. But if not, again, Merry Christmas to you and y'all's family. And y'all keep rocking with the Zebra Gang. Again, I am the Pull-Up King. Winter, summer, fall, or spring, I'm in that thing. Holla at y'all.
Hey, y'all go subscribe to my boy Royalty on 24s, man. He got one of the hardest RTs, man. For real, for real. Hey, the interior and all the guts and all that good stuff.